How to buy a Chipotle e-gift card online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open this page, which is chipotle.com/gift cards. After you're in this page, simply scroll down in here. After you scroll down in here, you'll find all the gift card option. Click on e-gift card, which is the first option. After you click on e-gift card, here, select which e-gift card you want. After you've selected the one you prefer, press on Next Day at the right side. After you've clicked on Next Day on the right side, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, select the amount. You can also customize the amount as you want. After you've done that, personalize, which is this is a gift or this is for me. Select the one. I'm selecting this is a gift. Add first name, last name, and then who is it from. Add your email. You can write message, and if you click on send now, it will send now. If you click on send later, you can schedule, then press on add to cart. After you've clicked on add to cart, here click on checkout. After you click on checkout, add your payment details. After you've added your payment details, you're good to go. This is how to buy a Chipotle e-gift card online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.